We'll guide you through how to use your phone as a webcam in OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can do this with an iPhone and Android, it doesn't matter. This is really convenient to go and do, because perhaps you don't have a webcam or you just have quite an old one. It makes sense to go and use your phone camera, as that is a really good camera often, especially the newer ones. So we're going to guide you through how this can go and be done and how you can go and start using your phone's camera as the webcam in OBS. So to go and get started with this, we are going to need to go and download something. So pay close attention as we walk you through this step by step. What we're going to need to do is we're going to be opening up a web browser. So we're going to go and open up Chrome, but you could use Edge or another browser, it doesn't matter. It's important to note as well, we do this wirelessly. You don't need to go and have your phone connected to your computer. So what we need to do is go and search for something called GuideRealm. So type it in GuideRealm like so, and we're going to come to the GuideRealm site, which is guidecam.app. Here we are. Then what we can do here is we can come and scroll down, keep scrolling, and what we're looking for is the OBS plugin. If you can't see it on the main page, press the 3 lines in the top right, and you can press Get the Client. And here we can go and find OBS Studio, and you want to press OBS plugin. And then what you can do is you can come and scroll down here, and you want to go and press Install the OBS plugin like so. And you can then go and press Windows, and we can press to download. And it's now gone and downloaded. Chrome has blocked it, so let's go and click on it and press download unverified file. Then what you can do is go and open up your file explorer here, and we can just come straight to our downloads or press it to the left. Double click on it like so, and you'll get a security pop-up. Unfortunately, I can't record. Make sure you read this through. I have and I agree. Press next, and you can go and press install. Then you can press finish. Now what you may want to do is just go and restart OBS. We'll close it and reopen it just to go and refresh things. Now what we're going to need to do is we need to come onto our phone. On an iPhone, open the App Store. On an Android, open at the Play Store and press search at the bottom, and then search and go and find GuideRealm. We can go and type it in. As you can see, here it is, and you can then open it up. We'll reference these shortly, so now you can go and put your phone into position. Now in OBS, come into sources, press the plus in the bottom left, and you want to go and press GuideRealm OBS and press OK. Then you can come down to Wi-Fi IP. Go and type in as it displays on your phone. What you then want to do is go and press activate, and it should then go and load. And as you can see, there it is. You can press OK, and there it is. So I can then go and move my phone to my liking. To go and crop it, you can go and hold Alt like so, and you can go and crop the part you want.